Hey guys, this is Linz. I'm showing you the shirt design I'm using right now, and this one is made from an upcycled bed sheet. The next one is going to be made out of an old pillowcase, and so I just got to get seam ripping here. I like this because it's cassette tapes and it's kind of groovy, and I dig the colors. It reminds me of my teenage years. I've chosen this orange for the shoulder detail, and I like this little Renaissance man. But it's not quite big enough, so I'm going to have to sew a little bit on to make it work. I do most of my marking in an old-fashioned kind of way, and I'm going to put darts in here to give this shirt some more shape. Because I'm using thrifted materials, I have to use what I've got, so I'm always trying to figure out what colors and textures and what do I have enough to use. Yeah, I'm going to go with this denim shirt. I think it really works with the rest of the fabric. Denim sleeve. Denim collar with orange underneath. Okay, this is what I've got so far. Now I just have to figure out my cuffs, my hem, and my front facing. Front facing. Alright, I'm really hoping I have enough of this pillowcase left to do 2 cuffs. And here's what's left of that pillowcase. And I think these snaps are going to make a really cool hem at the bottom, so I'm going to use that. And that's the last part of the cutting we have to do.